Hello everyone, welcome to linuxhelp.com. Now I'm going to explain how to install Inkscape application on MX Linux 17. First of all, Inkscape is an open source drawing and painting tool similar to CorelDraw, Illustrator, Xara X and Photoshop. It's widely used in all forms of OS. It contains many features like Cairo rendering for display and PNG export, C++ code conversion, cross-platform WMF and EMF import and export and substantial memory savings. Before we have to install the application, we need to update the system repository using the following command. Then hit enter. The system repository being updated now. After updating the system repository, we can install a Inkscape application using the following command. Then hit enter. The application is installing now. The application has been installed successfully. Now we can open a MX Linux menu bar. And then here we have to search Inkscape. The application is shown on the screen. Please click here to open. The application is open now. And then here you can proceed your drawing and painting process. And then here we can see the lots of customized configuration to making a drawing and painting. And then if you want to know the version of Inkscape application, please click here. And then here we have to choose about. And then here we can see the version of Inkscape application. In this way too, you can install Inkscape application on MX Linux 17. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel Linux Help. If you want to further more videos, please visit www.linuxhelp.com. If you have any queries, please mail to support@linuxhelp.com.